Hey everyone, welcome back to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how to share out your Microsoft Form survey or quiz from Microsoft Forms in a web browser. So here I am on my Microsoft Form, and it's all ready to send out. What I need to do is navigate to the right-hand side. You do want to make sure that the settings for this form are how you would like them. You can do that by going to the three dots next to send and checking on the settings. Make sure that's done before sending it out. You can then navigate to send. Once I have this send, there are a few different options. Depending on your organization, there may be a default send and collect responses to only anyone within this organization. So depending on what type of Microsoft Office account you have, what type of Microsoft Forms account you have, there may be a few options here. So be sure you choose the one that would work best. If it's anyone within the organization, only anyone with the same domain as your organization would be able to fill out this response. So right now I have this form set to anyone can respond. So I can go ahead and just copy this link right here by clicking on this copy button on the right hand side. This is now ready to be pasted anywhere I'd like or inserted anywhere I'd like. If you'd like to get a shortened URL, you can go ahead and check this box. It will now give you a shortened version of the link to share out. You can copy and paste that. That's the most popular way to send out a Microsoft form. But you'll notice underneath this box there are other options. So right now it's highlighted to copy link. But you'll notice you can also email this out. This would be sent from your default email application. You could also grab a QR code. This would be really helpful if you're doing a presentation or even if you are putting it up on a flyer. You could grab a QR code. People then could scan their mobile device and it will bring them to this survey. And then next to the QR code, you can grab an embed code. And then lastly, you could just share it out straight to Facebook or Twitter. It's giving you that option there. One special note you'll notice on the bottom is it's giving me an option to go to more form settings to duplicate it and share it out as a template. That's also a helpful way to share out your Microsoft form. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like this video by giving that thumbs up a push down below. Share this video with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. Let's remember to stay positive, pursue the moment, and help someone. My name is Jessica, and I hope to see you in the next video.